Here's another about 8 to 9 month update of the lavender I started last July. I am in the Midwest and it's spring here now. And I've had these indoors all winter, essentially ever since I started them in July. And the soil in these small cups gets dry very quickly, so I've been watering them usually at least once a week. You don't want to flood them completely, but I do make sure that the soil stays moist. They're looking very dry right now, so I'm going to water them again today. So I've still got several cups going. I did start lavender and rosemary at the same time with the same germination method. And I've got 2 rosemary plants here that have started, and that was from a whole package of seed. So they will be hardy as soon as they get older and hopefully survive outside when it gets warm enough. It's still getting freezing and sometimes snowing here, so I'm just going to keep them inside until the temperatures are for certain safe to put them outside. Some of the lavender is a lot longer and spindlier, and so it's hard to tell if some of those are going to make it. Some of these are looking pretty weak, and I have taken out 1 or 2 here and there, like this one's dried out too much. You'll see that the fuller lavender starts growing leaves in between where the other spindly leaves were, so it starts filling out. So like here's an instance of a spindly leaf, and then you can see how on a hardier one how much thicker it is. So some of these are looking really pretty. And I am going to want to either repot these or probably put them directly outside when I get a chance. Like I said, with the temperatures being much safer and more stable. So some of these are filling out at the top more, and you can see them starting to fill out in between the leaves. So it's been about 8 or 9 months. These seem like they're going really slow, but I am happy to see that they're filling out more and getting thicker and stronger, the majority of them. When I did plant these, I believe I did about 4 per cup. So they're getting very crowded. I'm not sure what the roots are looking like. I'll be curious to see that whenever I get ready to plant. But I just wanted to give you guys an update and hope you're enjoying growing your lavender at home.